Hello, welcome to the 3Scale installation guide where we will explore the use of OpenShift Container Storage for read-write-many operations used by components such as the developer portal in 3Scale. So we are going to use OpenShift console for our demo today. You can also do this installation using the command line, but our demo will exclusively focus on the console UI today. So before we start, the prerequisites are, or the assumption is that you've already installed your OpenShift cluster, the console is up and running. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to use the internal Red Hat product demo system, and I'm using OpenShift 4.8 for this exercise. So this is our OpenShift console UI. So to install 3Scale, we need to first create a project where we'll install all our components. So first, let's go ahead and select projects. Let's create a project. We'll name the project 3Scale-AMP. This is where we'll be installing our 3Scale and all the relevant components, and we'll ask the operator to install in this namespace. Right, now that we've created the project, let's go to operators and select the 3Scale operator. Let's select the official Red Hat integration 3Scale operator versus the community one for the part of our exercise. You can see here what the operator does, what are the supported features, etc. And after having a quick read, now let's go ahead and install the Red Hat 3Scale integration operator. I'm going to choose the 3Scale 2.10 for this exercise and make sure you've selected the namespace or project that we created earlier. Once you've verified that, go ahead and click install. Right. So the installation will take a couple of minutes, so please be patient with that. All right, now that the operator is installed and the installation is succeeded, let's go and verify that in install operators. It says succeeded. Now, next, we have to go ahead and install our OpenShift Container Storage operator in a similar way. Let's go to Operator Hub. Let's type OpenShift Container Storage. Yeah, that's the operator. Let's go ahead and click on it. Again, you can find details about the operator, what it does, the core capabilities, etc. And once you had a read of it, let's go ahead and click install. We're going to choose the stable 4.8 version for this. And again, remember that OpenShift will create a OpenShift-storage namespace if it's already not created for this exercise. So once you've confirmed that, let's go ahead and click on install. Right, again, this process will take a few minutes for the operator installation to be successful. So let's wait until the create storage cluster button is activated. That shows that the operator installation is successful. So let's again give it a couple of minutes here. There you go. Now you can go ahead and create your storage cluster. Let's go ahead and click on that. Right, the requested capacity, I think for this exercise, let's just do 0.5. That should be enough. Let's select all the 3 nodes as it's recommended here and click on next. You can leave all the other options as default, and in the next screen you can see the summary of what you've done. There you go. So it shows all the actions that you've performed previously. If you're satisfied, go ahead and click create. Right, now that we've completed the creation of our storage cluster, the next step is to create API Manager in the 3Scale project. API Manager basically tells the 3Scale operator on what to install and what are the configurations that it should take. Let's go ahead and select the 3Scale project first. Navigate to install operators if you haven't already done so. Go to all the custom resource definitions, select the API Manager and create a new API Manager. Go to the YAML view and replace the existing code with the code that I've provided in the blog. Go ahead and replace your wildcard domain with the default DNS of your OpenShift cluster. You can find it in the address bar of your console UI here. So this exact line is the key part of our demo here, basically telling 3Scale to use OpenShift Container Storage. Go ahead and click on create. You see that the API manager is created. So as soon as you do that, you can see that the API manager instructs the operator to start installation of 3Scale. We can go check that in the developer topology view. You can see all the pods are coming up one by one. This is basically the API manager telling the operator to install all these things. So give it around 10 minutes for all the pods to come up. Please feel free to go have a cup of coffee or something. And after you come back, don't forget to check if the system app pod is up and it has a route created. Now that we can see that system app is up, the route is created here. Let's go ahead and click on it. You can see all the 3Scale cluster URLs here, the 3Scale admin URL, the 3Scale master URL. So let's go ahead and click on the admin URL. And we land on the login page. We need the email password. We can find that under secrets of our 3Scale project. Let's go ahead and search for system seed. There you go. Scroll down. You can find the admin username password. Copy and paste these passwords on the 3Scale login page. Admin, paste the password. Click on sign in. There you go. All right, so this is our 3Scale admin portal, but the most important part to check if our installation has been successful is to go check the developer portal. So let's go ahead and click on the developer portal. Click on visit portal. Right, so the developer portal is up and running. This shows our installation is successful. We can see the name of the API, the plans here and everything. So let's go ahead and make a small change to just check again our installation is perfect. I'm going to change the name of the API from Eco API to Red Hat API and going to publish it. Go scroll down, publish, and refresh your developer portal. There you go. This shows our installation is successful and also brings us to the end of our video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you.